We're back again with another tutorial, and in this one we're gonna be making a phone bag, or like a phone sling bag, using shell stitches. For the materials, I'm using any type of 4-weight yarn. You'll be needing 3 colors, a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. We begin row 1 by making a slip knot. And we'll start with a chain of 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 chains. Then we're going to skip the first 2 chains and place 3 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. One, 2, 3. And starting from our next chain, we'll place 1 double crochet into each of our chains across. And in our very last chain, we will place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work on the other side of our chains. So you will turn your work. And just like before, we'll just place 1 double crochet in each of our chains across. You should place 15 double crochets on those bottom chains. You should have 15 double crochets. Now we'll finish this row with a slip stitch into the very first double crochet that we made. You should have a total of 36 stitches for row 1. For row 2, we'll start with our shells. We'll start with a chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Then we'll skip 2 stitches and place 5 double crochet into the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, and those 5 double crochets is what forms our shell pattern. And then you'll just repeat, skip 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 again and 5 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now repeat that process around to form a row of shell stitches. We must finish our row with 5 double crochets, and to finish it off, skip the last 2 stitches and place a slip stitch into our first single crochet. For every next row, I will be changing the color of the yarn. You can keep the same color if you want. Row 3 starts with a chain of 3, which counts as the first double crochet. Then place 2 double crochet into the first stitch. One, 2. Next, we'll just repeat the sequence from our last row. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. That 1 single crochet is placed over the middle of the shell from the previous row. Then you skip another 2 stitches and place 5 double crochet into the next stitch, and that 5 double crochet is placed over the single crochet from the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now continue. Skip 2 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitch again, then 5 double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat that process around. You will finish this row with a single crochet, and to finish it off, you skip the last 2 stitches and place 2 double crochet into the first stitch. and finish with a slip stitch on the top of the third chain. And that's row 3. For the rest of our work, we will just continue working a repeat of row 2 and row 3 until we have 12 shell stitches. You can check out the description for a written step-by-step of row 2 and row 3. You can change as many colors as you like to create a more colorful bag. Continue crocheting and I'll meet you back after you've made your 12 rows of shells. And this is our 12 rows of shells. You should have 13 rows but 12 rows of shells. We'll finish off with a main color. You can cut off any other colors. We finish off with a starting chain of 3 and 1 double crochet into each stitch. 1 double crochet into all of our 5 double crochet and 1 double crochet into every single crochet. You should have 36 double crochets. And finish this row with a slip stitch in the first double crochet. For the last 2 rows, you will make a chain 1 and 1 single crochet into each stitch around, which makes 36 single crochets. And finish with a slip stitch. To make the strap, we'll be using 2 strands of yarn. You can use the same color or 2 different colors like what I'm doing, and we'll use a 6mm hook. We'll start by making a slip knot with both of our strands of yarn. And we'll make a chain of 125 or any amount you desire your strap to be. Using your tapestry needle, now we will sew our strap to the sides of our bag. And that is how you crochet a shell stitch phone bag. I hope you like making this bag with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.